When we're out in a crowd, laughing loud and nobody knows why.
Actually, after pala ng ilang months, alam ko na siya yung papakasalan.
At a club, getting drunk and you
Hindi ko kaya na makita siya sa iba. Hindi ko siya kaya makita masaya sa iba. So parang yun yung naging wake-up call na okay, parang maano ka na, mapag-iiwanan ka ng partner. So, yun, I made the promise to myself na hindi na ako yung magiging katulad ng dati, yung magiging kampante. Hindi na ako mag-aantay ng something, ako na yung gagawa. So, yun, blessing na lang din na nagkaroon ako ng magandang work. Kaya nakaipon din. Ang bili ng rig and yeah. Mas naging ano ako, parang sabi ko sa rin, okay, sige. Kaya ko nang ipakita sa kanya na may kwenta akong lalaki. Na maalagaan ko siya. Na hanggang pagdanda.
when you call me at night while you're out getting high with your friends.
It made me realize na there's someone pala na kaya pala akong mahalin. Kahit na parang ang masyadong malaki at mabigat yung meron ako. And it changed the view na it can be it can be more happy in life na meron pala talagang pwedeng mag-priority sa akin.
I close my eyes and all I see is you and the small things you do.
Yung kind of love meron kami na galing sa kanya is kindness. Yung pure kindness, yun ang meron kay Jen. Na hindi ko pa nakikita sa ibang tao binibigay ni Jen sa akin everyday. Since from the very beginning, it's yung pure, kind-hearted love na doon ko talaga na-realize na grabe. After 3 days pa lang. After 3 days pa na may tayo, sabi ko ito na.
October 7, birthday ni siya.
Special mention. Yun, doon ko na-realize na hindi to yung, ito yung tao kaya kong ibigay lahat. Kaya kong mahalin. Kasi ako honestly, kung nagmahal ko na full 100 million %. Kaya nagsabi ko, na-realize na ito siyang tao. And from that moment on, hanggang ngayon, after almost 9 years, grabe pa rin yung pagmamahal ko. Grabe pa rin yung kind-hearted love na binibigay mo sa akin. And that makes me want to give. Ano nga?
I think yung what made us unique from others, para lang kaming magkaibigan. So parang, siya, parang it's different kind of love na feeling ko kami lang yung merong gano'n. Well, in fact, I believe baka meron din yung iba. But in our world, in our own world, para sa amin, that's somehow different. Kasi parang kaming magkaibigan, nagkakamustahan, kamusta sa work, kamusta sa bahay. So, hindi ka maiilang. That kind of love na hindi ka maiilang. That kind of love na hindi ka mahihirap. That kind of love na you can be yourself. Na hindi mo kailangan mag-sugarcoat ng anything or hindi mo kailangan magtago ng kahit ano. That's our kind of love. And the patience na meron siya, talagang it's different. So, in this crazy world, we are crazier. Cheers.
You're a falling star, you're the getaway car, you're the line in the sand when I go too far. You're the swimming pool on an August day, and you're the perfect thing to say. And you play it cold, but it's kinda cute. Oh, when you smile at me, you know exactly what you do. Baby, don't pretend that you don't know it's true, 'cause you can see it when I look at you. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing. Your every line, your every word, your everything. You're a carousel, you're a wishing well, and you light me up when you ring my bell. You're a mystery, you're from outer space, you're every minute of my everyday. And I can't believe that I'm your man, and I get to kiss you, baby, just because I can. Whatever comes our way, I will see it through. And you know that's what our love can do. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing. Your every line, your every word, your everything. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing. Your every line, your every word, your everything, your every song, and I sing along. 'Cause you're my everything.